mostly sunny to partly sunny. It was 71 at Fargo and 89 at Sioux Falls. In Iowa, it was sunny. It was 85 at Des Moines and 82 at Mason City. Once again at noon in the Twin Cities, it was 80 degrees, under mostly sunny skies. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. Rest of today, mostly sunny late in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 90s. Southeast winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts to
National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
This is weather